What's up, guys, and welcome to Software Keep Channel's Tech Tips. And today we are going to show how to use the flash fill feature of Excel. So let's say you have a bunch of names on the left side, and in column B, you only want to fill the first name of all the individuals listed here. So what you need to do is type in the first name Max, and then right-click this button at the bottom right, and then drag it to the bottom, so you are going to get to this window that opens. That's Select Flash Fill, and it's going to fill all the first names in this column now. For the last name, we could do the same thing. So let's write the first name and the first last name that we see here, Austin, and then follow the same procedure. So highlight this cell, right-click the button at the bottom, drag it to the bottom, and then select Flash Fill. And so this is going to give us all of the last names, so we don't have to retype it. Will save us time now. Even if we have an email in this column, we could do the same thing. So let's type in the first name Green, and then let's extend it by right-clicking, and then select Flash Fill, so we get all the first names, and then let's do the last name of the email, so let's type Bill, and then right-click it, Flash Fill, and so that we get all the last names in this column. And so that's this videos, that's how you can use the Flash Fill feature of Excel. Thanks for watching.